Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 32 lecture series, we will talk about the rating bar. How to create a rating bar in Android with the help of example. So rating bar is used to display the rating like 3, 4, 3.5, 2.5 likewise. So let us elaborate this with the help of example. Go to Android Studio, from file, new project, empty activity, next. So here I am adding my rating, bar, okay, Java API level 15 and click on finish. Our project is loading now. So it has been loaded. We will delete the default text view. Okay, from widgets we will go for the rating bar. From palette, widgets, we will go for the rating bar, drop it, set the coordinates for this rating bar. Okay, and we will add the button here. And on button we will write my rating. Okay, so when we click on button, we will have the ratings. So go to our Java file, create a button object, button B, and create a rating bar object. Rating bar. Okay, so alter enter to import the class, map both button as well as rating bar. The object is RB. So B equal to button, find view by ID, R dot ID dot button. Then rating bar RB equal to rating bar, find view by ID, R dot ID dot rating bar we have. Now simply apply the on click listener to button. B dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so now create a string object, string s equal to string, okay, string dot value of, we will take the button from rating from rating bar. So RB dot get rating. So we are going to convert it into string. Rating bar is a floating point. Okay, so that's why string dot value of. Then simply display in a toast T, alter enter to import the class. Okay, then toast dot make text, get base context, get application context, then the string s and the length toast dot length long and t dot show. Okay, so whatever rating is there, it is going to display. So now let us run this configuration. It is installing. Okay, so activity has been launched. So this is what our rating bar. Okay, suppose I choose this one 1.5, the rating is 1.5. okay, rating is 3, rating is 4, 4.5. okay, so total 5 rating. Now 3. So you will get the rating according to the selection. Okay, by simply the rb dot get rating. Okay, rb dot get rating. So rating is a floating point number. We have to convert it into a string using string dot value of method. So this is about the rating in Android. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel for the latest update, and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much.